Hello, it's Mike. Today we're going to be repairing a badly repaired glue joint on the door. Somebody repaired the horizontal vertical stiles with some glue and did a horrible job on it. So we're going to show you how to make that look somewhat reasonable. We're going to start off with some sanding, some 80 grit sandpaper and an old little sander. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean out the glue joint with a chisel. We're just going to bevel both ends and make it kind of look like it's just a bevel design. Because this joint will always crack with seasonal movements. And the glue will look ugly when it happens. So you should take your time and get those bevels in there. I'll give you a different angle here. It's kind of hard. Do it this way. There you go, looking 100% better. This is an 1884 door, so I'm going to save it. I think that looks really good. Clean up this glue over here. Got some glue on the edge. Get rid of that. Better. Try to always go with the grain, sometimes you can't. Let me see, this looks a whole lot better than the previous repair somebody did. I'm trying to follow the profile. Don't chew it up too bad. But I think we can finish with a little bit of sanding. Always you gotta get rid of all the glue in order for the stain to penetrate. If you don't get rid of the glue, you'll have some dark spots or some spots where the stain may not penetrate. It'll look really bad, so you gotta take your time getting all that glue out of there. And sometimes you have to chew up a bit of wood to do that. Sometimes this glue kind of penetrates deep, like in this instance. You can trick the eye a little bit. As long as you still follow the program, they'll nosedive. But it won't be that noticeable. Going against the grain, you gotta be careful. You're trying to rip the wood. I gotta see how deep this glue is. And just follow through on the grain. There we go. Looks pretty good. Alright, so that looks 100% better. What we can do is just follow up with a little bit of sanding. It looks 100% better. Get rid of some of that glue in there. There you go. That looks good. That's how you repair a door style joint that somebody filled with glue. That looks really good. Looks like it's natural. That'll stay up nicely. Thanks for watching.